What's up, guys, gals and friends? All right, we got here a hose, pocket hose, silver bullet. 3 options: pinpoint, full power, fine mist. It's 100 feet. We're gonna try that later to connect to this one. We got a Ryobi 1800 PSI 1.2 GM electric pressure washer. Let's try to open it. Alright, what's in it? We got the manual, guide, alright, I guess I have to connect it. And then we got the soap for the soap. We got the hose. And what else do we have here? Other connection. Gun. And power cord. Nice, it's long. And the motor itself right there, and the nozzle. All right. Handle right here. Screws. Important instructions: detergent use. Restricted water supply or low water pressure will damage your pump. Alright. So, no trips, make sure everything on, max on. Bleach: never use bleach or solvent based detergents. Will damage your pump, will void your warranty, will damage your plants, shrubs. We got the nozzle selection guide. There you go, turbo, 15 degrees, and then the soap. It's for concrete, brick masonry, siding, gutters, house, fencing, deck, patio, lawn equipment, boat, RV. There you go. So what's the use? High pressure, no soap. So you gotta use 15 degrees for all this. And then concrete, both can be used. Low pressure soap can be used in all. Use, check mark, use with caution for certain applications. Recommended is white, yellow, that one. And what else do we have here? Right to review, Ryobi, and there's the operator's manual. And then the nozzle. Alright, where's the... There's only one. 15 degrees. Okay, that's the other one right there. Alright, so we got 3, right? We got the turbo nozzle for 15 degrees, and then the short or the low pressure soap. This one. Alright, I'm gonna try to connect all of them, and I'll be right back. Connect this. So there's a guide where you can connect it right there. Let's see, there you go, inside, and you push down, and then you twist. There you go. That's it. And then here's the 15 degrees. Okay, just pull this down, push it in, and release. There you go, and turns. And the hose. Remove that piece. And then we connect. It's connected. And then on the other end, Nope, it's not there. That's the main. Let's connect it right there. Make sure it's all the way there and hand tight. I'm not gonna be using the soap for now. So there you go. Hose. And for the power, where is the power going to be connected? Oh, it's already connected right there. We're gonna find an outlet for that. Now, let's open this. Easy open package. That's what they said. Alright. What do we have here? A spare, I guess, O-ring or something. Let's grab it. Wow. Let's grab it. It's like a noodle. There you go. It's out. We're gonna leave that. We're gonna leave that there. Now let's use it for here. Okay, I can do it by hand. There you go. And then let's connect it. And life store indoors when not in use. Silver bullet. Remove this nozzle to use your own spray nozzle. That one. Alright, so there's like a thing underneath to make it a little bit more pressurized, I guess. Turn to spray. All right, turn the water on, and it's getting tight, and it's like a snake, but it's getting longer. All right, now let's try it. Turn it on. There you go. And let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna try it out. This time we're gonna try this one pallet, a dirty pallet. All right, it's a little short. So one good thing with this one is it's light and easy. Just carry it, bring it with you. Here you go, drop it. Let's see how this thing goes. Stick it to the wall. Here. Let's grab it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I didn't have any soap or detergent or something to use for the soap. At least the 15 degrees, we've seen that how it works. And then what's inside the box when you buy it from the store. Alright guys. Alright, also for the drain hose, for the hose, you just gonna release this, and then it's gonna spill a lot of water. It's gonna be pressurized, but now what I did was I closed the valve there and spray, left the water till it's almost gone dry, and then it shrinks back to itself.